Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about my new EDC setup. It's always fun to put the different sets together and try them out, and this set is built for EDC and for the work around the house and in the house. We will go through the different items in this setup and I will show you some use cases. First of all, let's talk about the organizer. This is the EDC pouch from Maxpedition. I use the Maxpedition products for EDC for years and I love the quality in combination with the functionality. Let's go through the different items and we start with an everyday carry legend, the Knipex Cobra XS. I love these compact water pump pliers in the pocket-friendly design. These are made in Germany and I love the Knipex quality. And I have to mention that I love to carry the larger versions too. This one is the 150mm version and I also like to carry the 125mm version. All in all, you can't go wrong with Knipex pliers. One of my favorite EDC tools during the last year, let's talk about the MetMo pocket driver. This cool little tool includes a ratchet function and a standard screwdriver function. I am really happy that MetMo is the partner of this video. MetMo stands for precision engineering, strong materials, high functionality and a compact EDC size. A 200-year warranty is outstanding. Check out the links to the MetMo website in the description box below. These tools are so well built and with so many cool details, and I always love the extra fidget toy function. The perfect combination for the pocket driver is the magnetic bit case. It's from MetMo too. You can store 6 bits. Depending on your needs, you can exchange the bits. These are 6 hex bits. The next item in my selection, a permanent marker. I always love to carry, for example, the versions from Sharpie. When I don't carry this Sharpie here, I normally carry a version from Staedtler. This one is the Do version with a medium side and a fine side. Let's talk about an old school multi-tool. I love to carry the Leatherman Pulse. It's a retired multi-tool from Leatherman, but I really like the tool set. We have a blade, excellent scissors. We have 2 flathead screwdrivers. We have a combination tool. It's a can opener and a bottle opener. We have the Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver and a file with 2 different sides. And I think the plier head is the perfect combination with the Knipex Cobra XS. The second multi-tool option for the setup is the Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit. A great option, especially in combination with the original pocket clip from Victorinox and the one-hand opening blade. The next item in this selection is the magnetic pickup tool. It's a version from HZ. Very handy, especially when you have kids with small toys. I often have to pick up different metal items and that's the perfect tool for this task. When you are looking for a magnetic pickup tool, I always prefer the high quality versions, for example from HZ or from Vigor. I love to carry this small multi-tool here. It's a black version of the pocket wrench. I normally use this version as a small EDC pry bar with a wrench function. I have to mention that this one here is a discontinued version. It's hard to find on the second market and very popular when it comes to multi-tool collectors. I wanted a set of micro bits in this pouch because I have to repair, for example, a lot of toys every day. A very handy setup and I love the slim design from MetMo. This set is a multi-drive metal case, also from MetMo. You have a great selection of different microbits and a multi-tool handle. And you can also insert a micro bit holder. Depending on the specific insert, you have so many use cases for this amazing handle. You can use this one as a pen. The multi-drive is definitely a true multi-tool, and you can add, for example, a file or razor-sharp blades. The next item in my selection is also a true multi-tool. I love to carry a small, big lighter. In the back compartment, I carry high-quality duct tape and electrician tape. I wrapped it around this card here. In combination with a card like this, it's a lot more pocket-friendly compared to a standard duct tape roll. The next slim design with so many use cases, an universal oil towel from Ballistol. It's perfect for the tool maintenance, for leather care and 1,000 other use cases. In the back compartment here, I love to carry different types of zip ties. Lightweight, very useful, and also with so many use cases. I carry two different pens, the Sharpie and the MetMo multi-drive with the pen insert, so I definitely need an all-weather notebook. This one here is a Modestone version. There are two tools I love to carry from the outside for quick access. This is, for example, the Spyderco Centofante 1. I talked a lot about this version in different videos. An excellent EDC tool. I love the quality and the vintage design. And a good flashlight is always important, so I love to carry the new Nightgore EDC 09. First of all, I love for different carry options the two-way pocket clip. This flashlight is a perfect combination with the multi-drive metal case from MetMo, this one here, because this one is magnetic, the backside of this case is magnetic, and the bit kit here is also magnetic, so I can attach it to different metal surfaces. And the adjustable head is also very handy. This was enough for a tabletop review. I will show you some use cases of this cool EDC setup. Check out the MetMo website and share your favorite EDC items in the comment section below.